Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. If you haven't noticed, I am Big Bird, the only one. And here by phone is no other than Big M. Yeah, Special M is in the house. And this is a Radio Jam War Mix. We're calling out Elijah Martinez and that's your cue. Yeah. So we want you guys to stop making Radio Jam because that's our show. You don't own it, we do. You keep running that show, you're gonna be sued. Do you understand me? And yeah, you know what, Kelly? My baby girl got some stuff to say to you. Go for it, babe.
Hurry, you better stay out of my fucking dreams. Because it's going to put me through hell.
For right now, if she gets hold of you, Kelly, I'm not gonna take her off of you. Cause your ass needs to get whooping like Elijah Martinez ass needs to get whooping. You feel me? Peace out.